Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Today I'm going to go outside and work on the 93 Mustang a little bit. Try to get the springs in. I know I talked in a couple of videos ago about taking it somewhere to have it done, but I'm going to try to do it myself because I've got the engine in it now. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, sorry about the wind. It's windy today a little bit. Okay, I was going to put these rocker studs in, or mounts in, the heads, but I don't know if you can tell, this thread is way too wide for these heads. So I got some new ones on the way to see if they're a little smaller to fit in there. And I was going to stick this relay right here, but as you can tell, it ain't going to work. So I am going a different route, which will come later on this car, but yeah, this fuel pump relay won't work, as you saw. So I'm gonna have to get in touch with LMR, see if I can send both of these back and get my money back for them. Oh, and I emailed LMR, and they said the radiator is supposed to have been tight when I put this on, but it wasn't. So I went back and forth in emails talking with them, and they don't know why it's doing what it's doing. So I had to, I don't know if you can tell, I had to use my upper rubber mounts that go here, and I had to put them behind the radiator on both sides to make it tight with this. So that's nothing on LMR. That's just these fox bodies, or just mine. So y'all, so next we're going to be trying to put these on right up in there. So let me get the tools and we'll get after it. Okay, the reason why I'm trying to get these springs in is so I can move this car, so I can get these mounts right here that go right here. I need to get this car moved so I can get access to it better, because it's getting real close to the building over there, and I need to put these braces on underneath the car, or underneath the car, in the car, same thing. So I just need to get this where I can get it rolling and get it moved somewhere else where I can have more room to put these braces in. So that's the reason why I'm trying to get these springs in. So now let's get to it. I've been trying off camera to get this spring in, and I know this ain't the way to do it, but I wanted to try it. So I can't get it in, so I'm gonna have to find a tool to get it in myself, or call around and see if I can get somebody to do it for me. So that's where I'm at right now. I guess I'll see y'all next time. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. I'm gonna try to get the springs on the Mustang. I bought this kit from CJ Pony Parts to get my front springs on. We'll see if the kit works, and we'll see if we can get them on. So stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, I've got everything tore apart. I've got the tool in there, and it comes with good instructions, so you can follow the instructions, but you can watch this video. So either one. So let me see if I can get this spring in right here. So let's see. Alright, finally got it in, but I had to cut a coil and a half off of the shock, or off the spring. And here's what one looks like uncut. That's what one looks like uncut. But I had to cut a coil and a half just to get it to fit, because the way it wasn't working. So there it is. So now it's time to get that connected back to that right there, and get that connected back to there. So let me get that going, and I'll be back. Alright, I've got everything put back together, as you can tell. So this side's done with the coil, or with the spring in it. So this side's done. So now I gotta get the driver's side done. So let me get after it. Alright guys and gals, that's what it looks like with that installer piece, and that's what I had to resort to for now to get this done, because I don't have no concrete or a little place to work on cars. All I got is grass everywhere, and then a driveway that slopes down. Yay. But that's what it looks like, and I'll show you once I get it all put back together. So see you then. Alright, as you can tell, the driver's side is completed. So I did not have to go to the to a body shop or to a regular shop to get this bolted in. All I had to do is buy this install kit right here, and I done it myself. So if you want one, you have to go to CJ Pony Parts to get it. So there you have it. Now all I need is to get a good set of tires, and it will be a roller. So later.